Don't jump the gun. Mastering patience in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about timing and patience. Don't jump the gun. Stay with us to uncover the meaning behind this expression, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Let's get started. Don't jump the gun is an idiom that advises against acting too hastily or prematurely. It's a cautionary statement, urging someone to wait for the right moment before proceeding. This phrase can be applied to various situations in life, from making decisions to starting projects or even responding to questions. The origin of "don't jump the gun" traces back to track and field races. In these competitions, a starter's gun is fired to signal the beginning of the race. If an athlete starts running before the gun goes off, they are said to have jumped the gun. This results in a false start, often leading to disqualification or a penalty. The phrase has since transcended the world of sports and is now used widely to caution against premature actions in general life contexts. Using "don't jump the gun" in conversation is quite straightforward. It's typically used as advice or a warning. Here are a few examples to help you grasp its usage. When someone is about to make a quick decision without all the necessary information, you might say, "Don't jump the gun. Let's consider all our options first." In a situation where someone is eager to start something new before finishing their current task, you could use the phrase like this: "I know you're excited about starting that new project, but don't jump the gun. We need to complete this one properly first." While "don't jump the gun" is the most common form of this idiom, you might also hear variations that convey a similar warning against haste. Phrases like "hold your horses" or "let's not get ahead of ourselves" share the same cautionary advice against rushing into actions or decisions. Understanding and using idioms like "don't jump the gun" can greatly enrich your English communication, adding depth and color to your conversations. It reminds us of the importance of patience and the value of waiting for the right moment. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you'll feel more confident using it in your daily English. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.